Alright, so we got the new tool bag here, little tool pouch with the drill, little holster. The DP3. So it is a little tall to accommodate, and I'm gonna try and put it on my belt real quick. You got the nice adjustable belt attachment there. You can raise it up, raise it down. I think it's good right there. Been using this little guy. This is like a simpler version that just goes in the belt clip, or you can put it in your pocket. Really cool, really versatile. This is a MP1X. It's a little bit bigger because you can, or they put a drill holster right there, right in the back. So just gonna go do a quick check up here on the roof. I just need to open up some panels, do a little quick inspection for a leak, and we'll get out of there. All right, it is a little heavy, but the cool thing is that it doesn't have a hard bottom base, but it does stand as so. Unless you have a really long bit, because it is passed through. If you guys have the bit that comes all the way through, because I do have a longer one. I opted for this one that was a little shorter. Fits in there nicely and it stands, or just take out the drill when you put it in, or stand it up. You'll be fine. If you don't want the drill, I mean, if you're taking up like a leak detector or something like I was, you can also put that in there. Come up, just have a few tools to open up panels and stuff, you know. Multi-use holster. I'm sure some guys will figure out some creative ways to use that. So now I need to get in here and do a whole leak check on this thing. Alright guys, so like I said, we have the tool pouch here from Veto Pro Pack that is currently, it's new, but it's also available with the spring promo. So anywhere from March to May, if you make any of the top tier purchases, it could be a Wheeler, a Tech MC, a MB5B, anything that you purchase, you're going to be able to get a free tool bag from them. So the top tier, which is obviously the more money you spend, you're going to get the SBLD, which is a much bigger bag, you know, service, all types of stuff, meters. You can carry like everything pretty easily in that one. This is more of a tool pouch for hand tools, specifically a drill. So like I said, you're going to get this in the promo. This is a DP3. You could also purchase it on your own if you prefer, but I highly recommend, if you guys are buying Vetos, you know, look out for the spring promo, because you might like one of the bags that they offer. So this one is, it has a base. So I'm just going to get to that real quick. It's about 4 inches deep, 6 inches wide with the pockets, maybe like closer to 5 inches, 4.5 without these pockets. But and then this part is the high part that I was talking about. So it's almost 12 inches, but can hold a lot of stuff. Let me empty this out, show you what I got in here, and then show you around the bag real quick and what all these little pockets are. So this is just a quick loadout I made for going around checking, inspecting units. So you won't see any like multimeter or anything like that. This is more hand tool based, right? So I got like a marker, a couple of adjustable wrenches right there. We got obviously our tape, measuring tape there. On the other side, I have a Klein electrician's ratchet, my refrigeration ratchet, and I like to use a solenoid magnet and mount it there. Holds it really nice. I don't keep much in these little pouches. There's a big open pouch here, and you got bit storage in here. So I do have a flip bit from Klein, and then I do have a flashlight and some nylon. I always use that stuff. So that's actually pretty spacious in there, and I don't fill it out too much. Up here, I got a brush to clean little condensers, brush off some, you know, some labels and stuff like that that you need to make out. We have a thermometer, a folding thermometer from UAI. Use that quite a bit. We got an insulated driver. This is reversible, so I'm pretty set with that. Over here we have some diagonal cutters from Hvacr. So they cut like butter. They're pretty good. Klein Tools wire stripper or multi-tool. So crimper, needle nose, and stripper, cutter, wire loop, all that in one. I like multi-tools. And then tape loop. Obviously I got some tape there. And then this is the main feature of the DP3 is that they have which they do have a drill holster as well, but this combines their tool pouches with a drill holster. So you're able to put a drill in there. The bottom is passed through, so you can see that the what do you call it? The bit is coming through. So if you guys have longer extension bits, that's not a problem. It goes through the bottom there. But if you want to stand it up, the bottom has to be even. So we got our impact in there if you want to take it up on those or take it to the job site with you. And then this right here has a little clip where you can kind of lock it in if you're worried about it falling out. Put that down and then feed it through, and it will lock into place if you're worried about it falling out. So they got you covered there too. And we got the nice handle here. If we take a look around the back, they're gonna have that adjustable, basically the belt clip, which is really cool. I mean, it's better than being fixed, right? The option. I don't know if you're gonna be moving it down. I have it on the furthest one up, which is the way it came, but essentially on these, you can try to undo it. So you kind of got to stretch it out and then pass it through. And because it kind of hooks around, so it's not the easiest. But this little clip comes off, right? So you're able, on the two loops, you're able to adjust it down, adjust it towards the middle, or bring it all the way up. All the way up is better for me personally because this thing, if it sits on your hip, that's the most comfortable position. So I'll just leave it there where it was. All right, guys. So that is just a quick look at the DP3 from Veto Pro Pack. You have essentially a drill holster, 4 upright, pouches for screwdrivers, things like that, pliers. You have the big open mouth that you can wedge some more pliers in there. You got the bag or the pouch in the front with the drill bit storage. You have, these are pass through on the side. So like when I was hanging the wrenches on there, it does come out through the bottom. So these are more for, you can throw that in there. I don't have any channel locks on me, but like if you guys are doing that with your tools, you can hang some channel locks on the side. Plenty. So the 2 outermost pockets are pass through. You got a D-ring on each side. And then the ones in the front, you got another big pouch, which that's where I was putting, my ratchet there. But it only goes so far, so it doesn't come all the way through. It is enclosed, and then you got 2 little pen style for markers and different things right on that pouch or that little pocket. Same thing on the other side, right? So a lot of storage. The drill holsters, the coolest part of this, right? You can take your hand tools and not kind of crowd it with the impact like a lot of people do. They always cram the impact in like that. Over here with the hand tools, essentially you just kind of holster it in on the back end of it, and you're good. So if you guys take your drill a lot to the job site, you can try this tool pouch out, carry a lot of tools. I kind of did this loadout for, like I said, inspections, taking off panels, doing little repairs here and there. I might do a contactor, something electrical of a repair, but I need the drill to take off a lot of screws, right? Or to drill a hole into something. So, all right, so I was just curious. You can actually put a meter in here as well. This is the SC480 by Fieldpiece. You can wedge it in there if you want, because that's just a nice open pouch. And I mean, the hole at the bottom is way too small for it to fall out. So there's another use for it. That's where that comes in handy. You can carry all your bits down here, your step bits, different kinds of bits for your drill, and be set. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will have more coming out soon. If you guys have any suggestions, anything like that, let me know. All right, screw it. I'm not going to be using this. I have already kind of my loadouts set. I have a few of their meter bags. I have the Wheeler. I have a couple of other ones that I'm already set that I'm using, and I have a tool pouch similar to this that I'm using. So I do not need this. I can give this away to you guys. I know I promised some more giveaways and stuff like that. I'm working with Veto, so make sure you check out Veto, because they're going to be dropping some videos that I've done for them. So go check out Veto Pro Pack. In the description, I'll leave a link to their channel. If you guys are not already following them, you should be. And go support them. They are a sponsor of the channel now. But what I'm getting to is I'm going to give this away. If you guys want a chance to win this, I might also offer it on like TikTok or something like that. But for the most part, here on YouTube, if you guys are subscribed, you like this video, and you leave a comment. All right, guys, I just want to say, do me a favor, and if you're new here, subscribe to Reliable HVAC, but also go and subscribe to HVAC Nights. I'll leave a link to that channel down in the description. That's my other channel. So please, to be entered, I'll leave the rules up on screen just so you guys can see them. But when I say subscribe here and HVAC Nights. Thanks. I will enter you in basically a drawing for winning this DP3. So if you guys are interested in it and you want to win this bag yourself, I took it one day to try out. That's why the tags are not on there, but I took it for one day to try out. It's still basically brand new. If you guys want this bag, I will go ahead and ship it to a lucky winner. So in the comments, just talk to me. Let me know where you're from, where you're watching from, and if you guys are planning on using this or interested in it, just let me know. Also, this is only going to be US or open to US shipping. If you guys happen to be like from somewhere else, I don't know, if you guys want to pay for the shipping, we can do that, but I have to ship this out myself, so I'm only shipping to US addresses. But leave a comment, let me know where you're from, what you need this for. If you find this useful or interesting and you would use it on a job site, just go ahead and let me know. Remember, subscribe, like, and comment will get you entered. So that's it for today, guys. That's the DP3 by Veto Pro Pack. Go check it out. If you guys are buying bags, this is the free promotional item for the tier 2, I believe. And that's it, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. It'll get you entered in this drawing, and I'll see you guys.